Welcome to the Art of Computer Coding, an introduction to different coding languages for beginners. This is a 6-program series of learning various methods of coding. I will not be going into full depth of every programming language, just providing basic information. I do want to say out of the gate that I am by no means a coding expert. I am interested in the field, having taken coding classes in college, and have been interested since then. I will be providing different sources for you to learn from as we go along in each coding language. Learning a coding language is the same as learning any other language in the world. Rather than humans using it to speak to each other and to read and write, computers use a coding language to help it function and allow us humans to use them. Though the language is used by technology, it will be beneficial to actually write lines of code on paper, just like learning a language when you have to learn to write it. Using apps or coding programs with block commands will allow you to learn what the language as a whole can accomplish on a simpler scale. Words and commands in one coding language is different from another, just like a human language. It's beneficial to be quote-unquote fluent in multiple coding languages, as some languages will change and grow over time. If you're able to understand a code now, the changes ahead will be easier to understand. Learning something new will take time, and it will not be easy right away. Practicing will not make you perfect as a beginner, but it will benefit you as you become more advanced. So to answer the $64,000 question of what is code, code is the language of machines and computers. We can't speak to a computer to change its settings just yet, but there are hundreds of languages a human can speak, and there are many coding languages that a computer can use to change its settings and run certain programs that will allow us to better use its abilities. Just like we need paper and pen and Word document, a Google Doc in order to write our language, a computer needs a text editor that will allow a programmer to write a computer language. And when we save a Word document, it's saved as a Word file, where a program is saved into what's called a source file. The code in these files need to be compiled before the computer can run that program, meaning it has to change shape. The set of a code is made up of different parts, like human grammar has a noun, verb, adjective, and punctuation. Code has identifiers, variables, functions, and statements. This is the list of the different codes I will be speaking about for the next 6 weeks. I'm sure by name a few of them are already familiar to you, and I will be discussing what they are used for, who first invented the language, and how you may have encountered them in your daily life. Thank you for stopping in. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you look forward to the upcoming weeks. Please subscribe to the Riverhead Free Libraries YouTube channel, and please stay tuned for other videos from other departments.